Good morning, buenos dias. I hope you are having a wonderful start to your day. I don't know if I'm having a wonderful start to my day, but I'm quite concerned. We had an earthquake at approximately 1:18 a.m. in the morning, and you know how sleep is when you're disturbed by an unexpected shimmer, knock on your door. That's what happened. We were to go to the gym this morning, but we decided to walk and then head back to the house and bring the big boy with us. So Hendy's walking with us. It's after 6 in the morning. This is pretty late. Normally I like to leave before, but here we are walking, enjoying the calm, quiet morning. Checking the news, which I rarely do. A lot of properties were damaged during last night, not in the city, but where the epicenter was. And it was reported up until when I read the news that 2 people died. So that's not good news, that's bad news, and that's never anything good to report. But yeah. Back in the building, serving up blueberry and green. Kale, green apple, blueberry. Kale, mint, blueberry, mango, green apple, and water. Provecho. I am here thinking about the earth moving last night. It's a natural disaster. There's nothing I can do, but I'm still surprised at the fact that I felt it, but I didn't hear the alarm or the sound throughout the city. Seismic colors, so I'm still, taken aback by that. But the day must go on, The day must go on. We all must go on with our lives. So I am here at my desk, setting up for. I like to listen to podcasts when I'm working, so that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm gonna be doing. Snack on some beet, and I made beet and chickpea. I'm obsessed right now with chickpea. It's beet and chickpea snack. Clean it up. So I'm gonna be cooking split peas and jasmine rice. So I'm mixing them together, and I'm cooking it in vegetable broth that I prepared from some scraps of veggies I had the other day. Rice and split peas. Let this cook. Bell peppers and poblano pepper. I love the taste of poblano pepper. It's not spicy, but it has a nice flavor. I just love it. Zoila and Henry just for a few minutes. Zoila and Henry. 9 years old, 1 year and 6 months. Work is over for today. I have done all I can. I've done my play. Now, clean up this desk. And I'm gonna do some yoga. Take Henry to a spot. I've taken him there before, but it was lovely. The dogs there are super calm, and so I thought it's a good idea to take him back there again this evening. Sit, back. His favorite place. We had a good day, and so I'm leaving the play area for the doggies. Remember to stay positive, think on possibilities, and do what brings you great joy.